What's wrong with the starter? Starter right there. There is the bolt boss, and the bolts come through from inside this fan housing. Series of 10mm bolts all along the perimeter of this. Coolant crossover tube, 8mm bolt here, and there's another one down here. Take this breather off. $10mm. So there's our problem. Alignment punch, get this to line up. 8mm. With the hose on there. At least somebody had, or someone had to find. 10mm U-joint socket. Check them by hand. So if I move that, those are self-tap bolts. Breather hose back on. That looks like we got this thing fixed. Thank y'all for hanging out with me today and finishing up this project. Hopefully you found this useful. Maybe it'll help somebody else. Y'all have a good day.